Question number 35. The graph below shows the variation with time of the magnetic flux. Magnetic flux versus time is given. Which of the following gives 3 times for which the magnitude of the induced EMF is a maximum? He wants induced EMF to be maximum. Okay. So what is induced EMF given by? Induced EMF is given by E is equal to minus d phi by dt. He says magnitude. So ignore the negative sign. You want d phi by dt to be maximum. So in a curve where you have phi versus t, when you say d phi by dt, this will represent the gradient. This will represent the gradient, or what you call it as a slope. So where is the slope maximum here? That's the question. Don't say that this is maximum here, because the slope here will be like this. What is the slope? Slope is 0 here. The slope here is 0, here is 0. Okay. Now, so now as a result of it, do we have t by 4 and 3t by 4? Cancel those. T by 4, t by 2. This is wrong. 3t by 4. This is wrong. This is also wrong. The only option is B. Okay. Directly we are come to that.